Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Instagram profile card. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram recently introduced a new feature called Instagram Profile Cards, an easy and visually appealing way to share your Instagram account with others. These cards are scannable QR codes that lead directly to your Instagram profile. You can use them in a variety of ways, such as sharing them online, printing them on business card, or including them in promotional material to make it easier for people to find and follow you. So how to do it if you want to create your own Instagram profile card? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can tap on share profile. And here's your Instagram profile card. You can edit your profile by tap on edit profile here. Here's you can add your pronouns, your bio, like this. For example, you can add your company, like this. You can also add link to your profile and the others. Now you can just tap on OK. So here's your digital creator Instagram profile card. You can edit by tap on the upper right corner here. You can change the color like this. So interesting, right? Now you can click on done, or if you want to change the background, you can tap on change the background. You can choose the background from your profile picture, and after it finish, you can just share it with your friends to the other social media platform, or maybe you can download it. You can share it to your profile. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create Instagram profile card. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.